On this occasion, I am going to narrate you one of the greatest epic story of Bharat, that is Sri Ramayana. So sing with me. Ram Siya Ram, Siya Ram, Jai Jai Ram. There was a greatest king of Ayodhya named Dasharatha Maharaj, who has 3 wives, Kausalya, Sumitra and Kaikeyi, but he has no sons. So he performed a ritual called Putrakameshti Yagam by Guru Vasishtha. Then Lord Vishnu, pleased by his prayers, and he thought of himself that only I'll be his son. From the Yagnam, a Yoga Purush has arisen and give a vessel full of payasam to Dasharatha. Dasharatha gave that payasam to his 3 wives and welcomed 4 kids. So sing with me. Ram Siya Ram, Siya Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Ram Siya Ram, Siya Ram, Jai Jai Ram. One day, Ayodhya welcomed a sage, Guru Vishwamitra.
Ram and Lakshman will be under my guidance. Making them warriors is the responsibility of this sage.
Vishwamitra shocked by the fast learning of Rama and Lakshmana.
My queen, I was thinking that it is now time to hand over the kingdom to our kids, and hence I have decided to make Ram the next king of Ayodhya.
I agree with your decision, my king. Yes, Maharaj, Ram meant to be a king. People of Ayodhya will prosper in Ram's kingdom.
One day Vishwamitra presented divine weapons to Rama and Lakshmana.
You have a lot of talent and both of you are brilliant, and hence I offer the 2 of you the gift godly powers.
What kind of powers, master?
These are divine weapons and they are tremendously powerful, and against them all the weapons in the universe fail.
Vishwamitra, Rama and Lakshmana went to Mithila kingdom to attend the Swayamvar of Princess Sita.
The one who is able to pick up this divine bow and tie the bowstring around it will have the honor of marrying Princess Sita.
One after another, most of the people tried to lift up the bow, but no one could lift it up. Rama tries to tie the string to the bow, then it broke it. By the sound, Parshurama woke up from his meditation and comes to the king's court.
Who dared to break our beloved Lord Shiva's divine bow?
Forgive me, my lord. By picking up this divine bow, I merely did what was necessary.
If you think you are that strong, then try to lift this bow, which is mightier and more divine than that one you broke.
Parshuram didn't know that Rama was avatar of Lord Vishnu. So, when Rama lifted the divine bow, Parshuram realized and goes off from there. Like this, Lord Rama married Sita.
Ram, you are the winner. You have won among the many who came.
One fine day, Kaikeyi came angrily to Dashrath Maharaj.
King, do you remember? You had granted me 2 wishes.
I am a man of my word.
Today, I ask you to grant my 2 wishes. First wish, my son Bharat will become the king of Ayodhya.
Bharat will be the king and your wish is heard.
And my second wish, Rama must be exiled for 14 years.
This is just impossible.
It is important for you to keep your promise.
I promise you, Kaikeyi, your second wish will be granted.
We are coming along with you, Swami.
To them. One day, Bharata reaches Rama with a very bad news.
Our father passed away. Please come back to Ayodhya, brother. That is your kingdom, and you are the king.
My father promises means the world to me. I'll pay my respect to him by keeping his word.
One day, when Sita, Ram, and Lakshmana doing their works, a demon princess, Surpanakha, came there by transforming into a beautiful girl.
I am Shurpanakha, sister of Ravana, the king of Lanka. Dear prince, our marriage was made in heaven.
Please forgive me, O princess, but I love my wife Sita very very much. But you can offer a marriage to my brother Lakshman instead.
You might have come here disguised as a pretty princess, but the truth is you are a demon. You are a lady, and I respect you, hence I want to tell you that I am not interested in marrying you at all.
Both of you will feel my wrath. I know why Rama won't marry me, but if I kill you, Rama will have no choice but to marry me. Yes, marry me, marry me.
Hey, evil witch, let go of Mother Sita this moment, and you'll feel the wrath of my arrow.
I am the sister of the demon king Ravana. Your arrow won't even kill me.
Lakshmana cuts off Surpanakha's ears and nose with an arrow.
Brother!
Surpanakha goes to Ravan and complains.
Brother!
What's the matter, sister? Tell me the reason for the tears in your eyes.
Ram, Lakshman and Sita are the reasons for my plight. I want my revenge. Brother, promise me you will fight.
Ha ha ha! Such a trivial matter. I am Ravan, the king of Lanka.
Ravana, along with Maricha, comes to Panchavati. Maricha transforms himself into a golden deer.
I really want the deer.
I'm heading off to get the deer. If I don't come back soon, Lakshman, wait for me here and please take care of Sita.
Don't worry about us, brother.
Sita! Lakshman! Help me!
Rama seems to be in a lot of trouble. Go and help him right now. And this is an order.
Lakshman Rekha prohibits anyone from coming inside. Please stay inside the line at all times.
When Lakshmana and Rama is not at home, Ravana transformed himself into a sage and asked for food.
Bhavati Viksham Dehi.
Ravana tries to approach Sita, but was stopped as he could not cross the Lakshman Rekha.
I need to break my 21-day long fast. But Sita, if you help me, then I'll offer you and your husband a blessing. I think your husband is in great danger.
Lakshman has forbidden me to cross this line, but there is nothing more important than the well-being of my husband. I am sorry, O great sage. I shall cross the Lakshman Rekha myself.
As soon as Sita crossed the Lakshman Rekha, the sage showed his true color. He wasn't a sage. He was Ravan himself. He wasn't a saint. He was a demon himself.
Brother, you're alright? Hearing your cry for help, Mother Sita ordered me to go and help you.
Yes, I'm alright, but you shouldn't have left Sita there all by herself. That Golder was a demon in disguise. He called out your names in my voice. Sita!
Lord Rama started searching for Mother Sita. In his search, he came across Lord Hanuman.
Lord Ram recognized Hanuman.
Forgive me. I didn't show up in my original form.
No problem, Hanuman. I need to go and meet Sugriv. I have to help him solve a matter. Can you show me the way, my brother?
I got you, Lord Ram. Come with me. Come with me. Greetings, King Sugriv. They are Lord Ram and Lakshman. Both of them need your help.
Greetings, Sri Ram. Tell me, how can I help you?
Greetings, Monkey King Sugriv. The demon king Ravan treated my wife Sita and kidnapped her from our house in Panchavati. Can you please tell us where he has taken her?
This is an incident which I remembered, which took place a few days back, Sri Ram. I saw a chariot flying in the sky, and from that chariot we could hear a female screaming for help.
Sita.
And few ornaments fell off from the chariot. These are the ornaments. Do they belong to your wife Sita?
Sita.
Please don't worry, Brother Ram. We will definitely find Mother Sita.
Wali defeated me in a dishonest way. Help me win back my kingdom, and I do as you say.
The ferocious war starts between Ram and Ravana.
Yeah! Ram! I'm not going to spare you.
The ferocious war between Ram and Ravana starts as they are shooting with divine weapons among themselves. Rama tried different divine weapons to kill Ravana, but he couldn't. Finally, Vibhishana advises Rama to use Brahmastra on Ravana's stomach. Thus, Ravana is killed. The Lanka kingdom is handed over to Vibhishana. Then after, Rama reaches Ayodhya and became the king of Ayodhya. So sing with me. Ram Siya Ram Jai